Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ingrid. Today, for our mindfulness art practice, we're gonna be doing some nature sketching. So, you will only need your sketchbook and a pigment liner. If you don't have a pigment liner, that's okay. You can use a pencil or whatever you have on hand. Let's get to it. Follow me. First, you want to pick a lovely place like this one. It's a beach called Caca Point, and you want to start looking around, searching for something that inspires you. For me, it's usually seashells, stones, crystals, quartz, the sand, and usually marine mammals are my favorite. So once you gather a couple of elements that you would like to draw, make sure that you take them to a comfortable place where you can start your drawings. So then you gather each one of the elements and start drawing them in your sketchbook. On the side, as you can see in the image, I've drawn a small square, and that is where I also start creating a pattern that is inspired of the element or one of the elements that I picked. In this case, you can make it your own. It doesn't necessarily need to be exactly the same as the element that you picked. And here's where your creativity and the connection with your inner child and inner self comes to. One thing to be mindful of when sketching outside in nature is to keep your strokes softer and that you are mindful on how you're drawing. So the idea is to slowly draw. Even if you're getting attacked by sandflies, try to observe your thoughts in the process as I did and think of what are they here to teach you. And here is the end result. 3 objects with 3 patterns. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and if so, I would ask you to like it, to subscribe to my channel, and to share this video with your family and friends. Hopefully someone else can benefit from a mindfulness technique through art. Thank you very much and see you next time.